Good morning, fans of Just Jeepin'. Today I'm just going to be coating my headlights with the Meguiar's clear coat. This is for those of you who would like to protect the headlights before they get to the point where you're going to actually have to scrub off some of the coating and then recoat the actual headlight. What you're going to need for this job to start with is some ammonia-based glass cleaner, paper towels. You're obviously going to need your headlight restoration kit. This is just for prevention today. And some masking tape. I prefer the blue painter's tape, and some isopropyl rubbing alcohol. So if you do overspray onto any of the finish, you can clean it off rapidly. So let's get going. What I'll be using is the Meguiar's Keep Clear headlight coating, which I've already done on my Camry this morning because it was nice and cool. And it's actually still not bad today. It's not raining or anything, but it's nice and cloudy. And I've done this already on the Camry. Let me show you that. This cures in about 24 hours, and it's been about 3.5 hours since I put it on both headlights this morning. And I'll show you the before and after pictures in the video. What I'm doing right now is just rearranging the tape. Now what we want to do is we want to shake up the can of Meguiar's really well. So I'll probably need to do the Meguiar's or buy more Meguiar's at some point. It's got to be until it's medium wet, and then you let it sit. Now we're going to get to this headlight. And we have to wait 3 to 5 minutes for that to dry, and then we put a second coat on. What this will do is it's actually going to prevent those headlights from becoming that horrible look where it's just weathered and beaten up by UV rays. This will help prevent that and keep these headlights in better condition for at least a year or two. Now we're going to wait 3 to 5 minutes. The coating on the right side didn't come out too good, so I'm going to redo that coating. I've taken it off with some isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to dry it and start over again. Well, we're at the end of the 5 minutes because I had to set the timer again. So it's been 10 minutes on this headlight, and it's been just about 5 minutes on that one. I'm going to start back on this one again with your Meguiar's. Thank you, timer. With your Meguiar's, what you're going to want to do is shake the can well. Make sure it's really well shaken. Don't forget to make sure you're pointing the arrow at the mark. And that's about all you need on the headlight on that side. And now the headlights need to cure for about 24 hours. Hopefully it doesn't rain today, but I'm going to just put a little bit of plastic on the outside of the Jeep just to protect those headlights from any kind of water today. Just in case it does rain. It looks like it might do that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Hit this. Well, now my Jeep's driving with blinders on. Anyway, hopefully it's just going to be a light rain, and it will probably get a little bit damp out here, but I'm hoping that the headlights themselves won't be touched by the rain. And with these protective covers on, hopefully. Otherwise, I'll just have to scrub it down and start over again tomorrow.